So hey guys, after doing the unboxing on the floor, we can quickly have a look at the design of the Bose Soundlink Max. So it comes with a fairly long USB-C to USB-C cable. Also some instructions in here. Let's see if it's a user manual or not really user manual. It's just like some instructions, I guess, about the battery and how to dispose it and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, that's the speaker itself, and it has this metal front cover, which I've seen some people they remove it. It is actually glued in 4 places, and then you can see the two speakers, a tweeter in the middle, and then on the sides. And by the way, a lot of people, they say this is metal. No, this is actually plastic, because metal is cold to touch. That's plastic. Yeah, sounds different as well. So that's where the passive radiators are on sides, and that's a plastic cover. And then it has all this rubberized cover. As you can see, it's a cover, I think. And then this is the handle. I think if you rotate this, you can remove it and replace it. Not really sure how you do that. I think you can, but I don't want to mess about with it. I'm not planning to replace it, but you can replace this. They have different colors on their website. Yeah, so these are the buttons. Hopefully you can see. It's just a push on. You don't need to press and hold or nothing. You press on and it connects, it turns on. That's the Bluetooth. I think this is like the additional button that you can customize from the app. It has little LEDs in here. There's the volume rocker, pause play, and I think if you double tap, it will go further. It will skip one track. If you triple press this button, it will go backwards, and it will skip one track. On the back itself, it's fairly heavy, which is always good. And on the back we have in and out, so you can charge your phone as well. In and out USB-C, and that's how you charge the speaker. The battery lasts quite long. I think it's something like 20 hours. And that's the auxiliary 3.5mm jack for anything you want to add in to use the speakers. And yeah, let me just try to turn it on, and then I have to pair it with another phone. Okay, so when you turn it on,
battery 40%.
It will tell you how much battery you have, and then it will try to connect to the latest paired speaker. And there you have it. It's connected. Okay, so just to show you quickly in the app, that's how I've called it. You can change this name to anything else you want. You have plenty to choose from. Then you can see if there's any product updates, product tips. It will teach you, how about battery, aux, Bluetooth, shortcut, moisture detection. So it will tell you that it's now okay to charge it, and you need to let it dry first, and how to switch the handles. So as you can see, I was right. You have to rotate and then remove, and then you can put other colors which they sell on their website. Yeah, actually, power and battery. So press the power button to power your speaker on and off, and the speaker conserves battery and powers off after 20 minutes of inactivity. And you can even change that timer from the app. Bluetooth, you can press and hold the Bluetooth button until you hit ready to connect. Shortcut is this button in here. So you can press the shortcut button and then you just set something up in the menu. It doesn't have many options for the shortcut button. As you can see, you can have it on aux or Spotify. Equalizer, I use it like this because I think it's plenty of bass anyway, and I don't like a lot of bass. So for me this is perfect, but you can change it: bass boost, treble boost, treble reducer if you don't like treble that much, and then you can reset it. And I like the treble boost. That's my favorite. So I'll play music with what I think is the best. Yeah, so otherwise it's straightforward. You can see like preferences for power. You see, you can increase the auto shut down. Voice prompts, you can remove them, I think. Battery level on startup, you can remove that. It's a bit annoying, that thing, actually. Technical info, that's pretty much it. Very simple app as well. So let's crack on and play some music. So what I'll do, I'm gonna just put it in here like that, and then I'll have a microphone which I'm gonna place in here. Let's take this cable out of the way. I'm not gonna play very loud because it's quite late. To be honest with you, the best sounding profile is up to let's say 70% volume. Above that, you can feel is reducing the bass, not very much, but it does reduces, and I feel like it's too much noise for my opinion, so I prefer up to 50. So we're gonna listen to it up to 50. So I'm gonna play a song which is free. So let's just try and backtrack this to the beginning if I can. So, and the sound, we'll start a bit low, just so you'll get an idea. So we'll start with the sound about here. So let's see.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and ink.
So let's just quickly play a bit more.
Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
I think it sounds really good, but we'll increase the sound up to kind of there. I can't play louder than that, so we'll play a little bit.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, eat faster till we're stuck dead. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out.
There you have it, guys. I think it sounds amazing, and it's very small in terms of size. You see, that's my hand. It's just a little bit bigger, and I'll show you a speaker that it's as big, but it's not as powerful. So this is the X-Boom. So you see, that's quite similar. Obviously, it's a bit smaller, but it's not as powerful as that one. So yeah, what else you want? A lovely speaker, Bose Soundlink Max, and when you listen to it from the distance, it has such a nice stereo separation. You can hear like the sound is about here. I really like that, and I really like the speaker. There will be more videos with it. Maybe we'll do some sound comparison to the JBL Extreme 4. But yeah, more to that in the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please give us a like, subscribe, and comment.